If you know making 3 to 5,000 naira is not really too small for you per day in 3 hours, then know this video is actually for you. Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I am Mr. Success, and what I do on this channel is that I post money making updates online. Okay, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get more updates and get notified by YouTube when I post more updates like this. Okay, so today I'll be doing a review about this platform called GoJelly. I've been seeing a lot of screenshots, withdrawal screenshots flying around on the online space about this platform. So I'll be giving you my honest review whether it is real, whether it is worth it, and whether it is paying. Okay, so for me, I really, when I came across this platform for the very first time, I felt it was like an investment scheme, although because of the deposit option here. But after much investigation, I found out that platform is actually not an investment scheme, and it provides you means for you to earn money online without you putting money. Yeah, so you can definitely earn money online without you putting money on the and able to withdraw it to your local bank account. Okay, so let's go over to how you can earn on this platform. So first things first, I'll be dropping a link down below in the description, but in the comment section, if you want to sign up on this platform, please go and check the link I'll be dropping below in the comment section to sign up on this platform. Okay, so first click on do a job, which is this right here. Click on do a job. So when you click on do a job, there are taxes that you can perform and get paid for. Right now there are 53 taxes available. Right now there are actually 53 taxes available, and if you have let's scroll down and see. So they are literally saying that they are willing to pay you over 300 naira to perform a tax, over 188 naira to perform a tax, and over 156 naira to perform a tax, 132 naira to perform, 131, 129, 128, 125, 125, so on and so forth. Okay, so a total of 116 results. Now the literature will pay you over 120 naira and to 300 or to 400 naira per tax you complete on this platform. That's what they are literally telling you now, that they are willing to pay you per tax. Now how do they generate this revenue? Like, how do they pay you now? There are people on this platform is actually a marketplace that someone comes to, like me, I'm seeking a particular persons for an update, or I need referral base. I am doing a referral based update now, and I need referral. I can always come to this platform and paste my link and tell them I'm willing to pay people to sign up on my platform using my in a certain platform using my referral link. That's how the money is being generated for this stuff. Now they are telling you they are willing to pay. Imagine you doing 10 of this. Their approval doesn't take more than 2 to 3 hours for them to get approved, unlike other platforms whereby you get approved within 2 to 3 days or 24 hours. It doesn't take more than 3 to 4 hours. You will get approved on this platform after completing a task. Then imagine you doing like 10 tasks or 15 tasks or in a day and getting paid over 300 to 200 naira. That's a total of close to 2 to 3,000 naira. Or imagine, and you can get that done within 3 hours. Then imagine you do up to 20 tasks or 20 tasks in a day, or 25 tasks in a day. That's close to over 5,000 naira on this platform, just by completing tasks, nothing else. No answering of surveys, nothing, just completing tasks like registering on the platform, screenshotting it and uploading it, and they will get you and you get paid just like that. Very easy. Okay, so now how do you now withdraw on this platform? Now the minimum withdrawal on this platform is actually 1,000 naira. The minimum withdrawal is actually 1,000 naira. So if you want to click on withdraw right here, you can always withdraw to your bank account. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal right here is 1,000 naira, and the maximum withdrawal per day or per transaction, not per day, per transaction, is 50,000 naira. and the minimum is actually 1,000 naira. It doesn't take more than 24 hours for your money to arrive. Yeah, it doesn't take more than 24 hours. I can't be able to give you an estimated time because time may vary based on what's name on the approval rate. So they might approve my own instantly and they might approve your own in like 10 minutes time. See, so I won't really, but I can tell you that the maximum, they don't let your withdrawal pass 24 hours. That's what I just want. That's what they are showing us, that they don't let your withdrawal pass 24 hours. Okay, that's for the withdrawal. And there's also options whereby you can also earn to referring your friends. And when you refer your friends, they get paid. When you refer your friends, when they sign up and do tasks, you actually get paid on this same platform. Now the option to deposit actually for those people who actually want to create tasks so that when other people do, they will get paid. That's when the option to deposit comes in. So it doesn't really fall into anything for those who want to use this platform to actually earn. So please do not forget that I'm dropping the link to this platform down below in the comment section. So do well to click the link to sign up on this platform. And also, if you find value from this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so when I drop updates like this, you will be notified by YouTube.